The second and final enhanced continuous voter registration exercise kicks off Monday. IEBC targeting some 4.5 million eligible voters who missed out on the first phase concluded in November last year.
Well, IEBC reconsidered its decision not to carry out the second phase after receiving the required budgetary allocation to carry out the exercise.
Now, the first phase was characterized by apathy after a paltry 1.5 million voters availed themselves for registration out of the targeted 6 million.
Well, as Chemutai Goin reports, politicians eyeing various seats in the August election are in the forefront, rallying eligible voters.
Though IEBC's target of registering 6 million new voters in the month-long exercise it carried out between October and November last year was seemingly unachievable, and while the Commission had ruled out the possibility of carrying out yet another exercise due to budgetary constraints, it revisited its decision after the National Treasury availed the required funds. And starting Monday, 17th January through to 6th February, the Commission will be commencing its second phase of registration, targeting the remaining 4.5 million eligible Kenyans who missed out on the first phase.
ECVR Phase 2 offers another opportunity to eligible Kenyans who missed ECVR Phase 1 to register as voters, transfer polling station, or change their particulars.
In the first phase, largely snubbed by the targeted population, 1.5 million Kenyans availed themselves for registration, pushing the total registered voters to 21.1 million from 19.6 million in 2017. If IEBC closes in on its unfulfilled target of 4.5 million, in the 2022 register, there will be 25.6 million voters.
We shall make arrangements to enhance the areas related to universities and colleges. But for the wards, they were adequately used. In fact, quite a number of them were idle.
After the conclusion of the voter listing, the Commission is required by law to ensure an audit of the register 6 months to the polls. A reputable firm procured by the Commission will carry out the job and give its report within 30 days. The Commission will then be required to implement the audit report within 30 days of receipt. A proper voter register is crucial as it will aid the Commission in determining the number of polling stations, since at the moment the Commission has capped its number of voters per polling station to 700. After the auditing, not later than 60 days to the elections, the Commission is expected to open its register for scrutiny and for voters to verify their details to minimize mishaps come August 9th. As IEBC and interested parties call on eligible voters to avail themselves for listing, data from the first phase shows that so far, Central Kenya, which has in the recent weeks been a hotbed of political activity, saw its total registered voters increase to 3 million after 135,000 new listings. The Coast Region's 6 counties cumulatively managed to register 140,913 new voters, pushing its numbers in 2017 from 1.7 million to 1.85 million. The Rift Valley region, comprising 14 counties, registered 444,777 new voters, pushing its numbers over the 5 million mark. Further away in the Upper Eastern region, comprising Meru, Tharaka Nithi, Embu, Marsabit and Isiolo, 100,000 new listings pushed its registered voters to the 1.54 million mark. Their lower eastern counterparts managing to register 95,000 new voters, its total registered voters now at 1.61 million. The western part of the country, made of 4 counties, registered close to 160,000 new voters, pushing its total registrations to the 2.8 million mark. Nyanza, on the other hand, with 6 counties, cumulatively registered 229,313 new voters. Its voting bloc as at now stands at 2.9 million. The northern region, which during the first phase was hit by drought and famine, impacting on its numbers, registered slightly over 70,000 new voters. The 3 counties cumulatively have 572,116 voters. Nairobi County, which throughout the voter listing exercise led in county figures, now has 2.4 million voters. The first phase having contributed by 152,920. All eyes now will be on whether those that snapped the previous window will have a change of heart. Chemutai Goin, Citizen TV, Nairobi.